Okay, now this is when we're going to combine subtraction, like what we talked about, with negative numbers. So we have these two giant numbers here, 2,721 minus 2,722. Well, first you got to look and say, okay, which one's bigger? Well, this one's bigger, just by a little bit. So, can I take more away and still have a positive number? No. So my answer is going to be negative. And then, now that you know your answer is negative, just find the difference between them. Now, I encourage you to stop and think, because if you don't think, you are just going to stack up and subtract these two numbers. But what I encourage you to do instead is look at it. Say, listen, if I'm just subtracting these two numbers, these seem really close together. Like, how far are they away from each other? Oh my gosh, they're only one away. If I put this on an open number line, I'd have like 2,722 and 2,721. And there's only like a distance of 1 between. So that means our answer is going to be -1. Good job, Elsa.
I did it.
She's playing cut the rope. Okay, but that's how you do it. Let's look at another one that's a little trickier. 1295 minus 1309. 1295 minus 1309. Well, this one's bigger, so that means our answer is going to be negative. And then we just subtract like normal. Okay? So we just do 1309 minus 1295. You could stack this up, and I'm not going to take that away from you.
Dada, I did it again.
Good job, Elsa. So now, let's look at it another way. We have 1309, and we want to get to 1295. How far are they away from each other? They seem pretty close. Well, if I just add, let me change color so we can see it better.
Yes, I did my first start line.
Good job, Elsa. So if I add 5 to this, I get 1300. And 1309 is just 9 more away. So hold on a second, Elsa. And so 5 and 9 add together to get 14. So I'm only 14 away from each other. I could have stacked it and subtracted it, or you could just count up if they're really close. So the answer here is -14. There you go.